up, Cringe Nation? It's your boy
Caleb,
Isaac,
and right now we're going to be making another unboxing video with 5 items we got at Five Below, or it's 5 Council Bluffs. So
let's get right into the video.
like,
Hey, thank with me.
Alright, what is up, guys? So we'll have Isaac Bales go first.
that's not my name. No, my god, it stuck itself. I don't know what it is. Oh, this is actually sick. Oh, it's supposed to go to it? Alright, so pretty much what this is like literally a bunch of these plug-in thingies.
These outlets.
Yeah, and I think that this just goes
Here.
and attaches. I got it, Kylo. Gosh, let me
It goes out the way. So that on top right there is supposed to hold your phone while it's charging, so you can put it above it.
Oh my god.
You're still doing it the wrong way, but it's okay.
You say to me?
Okay, it goes like that.
Oh,
Out
it makes
of the way.
sense.
Yeah, it holds it. Alright. While he's doing that, Caleb, you want to open up yours?
Yes.
I got it!
We have another smart power strip by Tekken. That's your manual.
Yo, that's actually sick. Kylo, can I buy that from you?
Then you got your main power board, which comes with 4 plugins for the outlets.
So plug this in.
And then 4 USB ports and a power button. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And you have to plug it into an outlet, but it can hold up to 8 different charging devices.
So one thing that's good about that too is that if there's a power surge, you know, like if your power goes out or something like that, it will protect your stuff so it doesn't fry it. Say if you have your Xbox or something cord plugged into it. Alright guys, so we got this headset right here.
Can I get the other thingy?
What the crap? Butt flake.
But like.
Butt flake, the brand of this is Butt flake. Bro gaming headset. Alright.
Oh my god.
So the box is obviously it doesn't look that well, but it's pretty nice headset.
Me and him fly back.
It has so it can go either into it can go for PC or regular Xbox, PlayStation, whatever.
And I'm guessing when you plug the USB in, it probably lights up.
Roger, hello. Lots of doors open.
Another light falls.
Alright guys, so one thing cool about this headset is that it lights up through the USB port. And yeah, that's pretty nice. It even lights up on the mic and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Alright Caleb, what?
For our last item of this unboxing video, never mind, second to last item of this video, we have a desktop calendar fan. Let's get right into it. This baby open.
Yo, that's so cool. Oh my god.
So it's a fan, the little desktop fan. You can plug into your USB outlet, but something a little more special. Kylo, kill the lights. Kill the lights.
Wait, I have to go through these lights and then that way.
Oh my god.
Oh dude, the lighting's way better like this.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay, well it's fine.
Well, now we can know what to do for next video.
Alright.
Here we go.
What? Oh. Alright.
Look at that. Now it's displaying the time and date. While giving you a nice, cool breeze. Alright, I'll turn the lights back on.
Alright guys, so this is going to be the last item right here, which that fan is pretty dope. And at the end of this video, we'll price check all these real fast and see how much we actually saved on it. Because each one of these items was only $5, so. Alright, so we have a cool, decent headset. This is a Alright, so basically this is a Soyo 2 gaming headphone SY8300MD. Dopeness. So basically, so it can come down. And so you can use it for a PC. This is for PC, but you can get an adapter so you can do it for Xbox, which I play on. So pretty dope.
Xbox Live Matter.
We'll do a sound check on this later on both of them.
There's a
And we'll be on both of them.
There's a
And we'll be right back to you in a second with the price checks on these.
Smell it.
Alright.
What do you want, fool? Oh, what?
Let's
Or, I mean, Isaac, grab that headset and we'll show that it lights up fast and then.